Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how to assign a company code to a company. So for that we need to go to SPRO, enterprise structure, then we need to go to assignment. From assignment we need to go to financial accounting, and from here the first option will be assign company code to company. So here we need to select it. Then we need to find our company code. So it's T300. So here in T300 we need to assign it to our existing we need to assign it to our company that we have already created. So we just need to save it. So this is how you can assign a company code to a company.